first graders. Today in math, we're going to do our daily count of how many days we've been in school, which we are getting so good at. And then we are going to learn about a new way to write addition problems. We've been writing all of our addition problems going across. Now we're going to write them up and down. Here we go. Okay, so we had been in school for 10 days plus 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was the number 16. I'm going to add one more, and I know that 17 comes right after 16. So let's count and check. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We've been in school for 17 days. That's the same as saying we have one 10 bar and 7 ones. 17. Grab your colorful chart and let's add one more dot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 days. The month is September. The year is 2020. Today is Thursday, the 10th. We'll add one more dot. We will count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Tomorrow's Friday. Let's look at this addition problem. We've been writing addition sentences going this way or across. We have our two add-ins, the numbers we're adding, 3 plus 2 equals the sum or the answer to our addition problem, 5. We can also write our addition problems up and down. It is the exact same way of adding, just writing the problem a little differently. So we use the same add-ins and we flip them up and down. So I put the 3 on the top, plus 2, and instead of drawing two equal signs, we almost stack them together running long ways and make it one long equal sign. 3 plus 2 equals 5. We have the same add-ins, the same sum, the same plus sign, and our equal sign just pushed both parts together to make it a long equal sign. Let's look at another one. Here's our add-ins, 4 and 0. 4 plus 0 equals 4. I'm going to move the same add-ins into an up and down addition problem, and I get the same sum. 4 plus 0 equals 4. I want to show you how we can draw circles next to these problems to solve them also. Next to the number 4, we would need to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next to the number 0, 0. That's just like we would draw circles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. Did I make a mistake? I did. I shouldn't draw any over here because it is 0. So now when I do my math, I can count my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus no more gives me 4. Let's try another one. This time we're going to move it from going across to up and down. 5 plus 1 equals 6. My add-ins are 5 and 1, so I'm going to move the 5 over here. Plus 1. I'm going to draw dots to check and make sure that the answer was right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. I'm going to put the bigger number in my head, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer was correct, 6. The sum is 6. You can go ahead and take out your big green book, and you need to take out lesson 1.8. We've already done the front page of this as practice in our examples, so you're going to flip to the inside where you see these pictures. They tell us to write the addition problem. So we're going to look at the pictures to draw the problems. I see 2 butterflies first, so I'm going to write 2 here. I see 2 more butterflies. 2 butterflies plus 2 more butterflies give us 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies. Now I see 1, 2, 3, 4 plants plus 1, 2, 3 more plants. 4 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now we're going to do the same thing down below. First, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pink flowers. 5 plus 1, 2, 3 white flowers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers all together. I see 2 bees. And then I see 1, 2, 3 more. I'm going to start with the bigger number 3. 3, 4, 5. 5. Because remember, we learned we can add the numbers in any order and get the same answer. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ants on a hill. Here comes one more. 5 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. One more. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. Plus 1, 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. There are 10 leaves all together. You will be completing this part all on your own, and these are addition problems or addition sentences that have been written up and down, just like we would have written them across before. So for example, this one would have been 1 plus 2 equals, but they have written it up and down. Remember, our equal sign gets flipped long ways as we stick the 2 bars together, and our answer goes underneath the plus problem. Make sure your answer is underneath each one of your problems. The answer does not go next to it like it did when we were writing the numbers up and down. If you would like to draw circles next to the problems to help you, you can do that. You would just take your pencil and next to the number, write your circles just like we used to do when we were writing them across. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 more. Count up all your dots and write your answer. You don't have to write dots, but if that helps you, I would love for you to do that. Down below, they ask you to explain. Explain means to tell how you did something. So it says, Sam showed how he added 4 plus 2. Tell how Sam could find the correct sum. So 4 plus 2 does not equal 7. I'd like you to figure out what it does equal and then tell me how you figured it out. Did you just know your math facts? Did you count on? Did you draw me a picture of circles or did you draw me a picture of stars? Tell me how you solved that. For extra practice at the top, you can add. It says add and write the sum. They're going to try and trick you here because they write them across and then they write them up and down. Remember, on the across problems, your sum goes here, and on the up and down problems, your sum goes underneath. Then you can use this key to figure out what color to make them. If their answer is 7, you color them yellow. If their answer is 8, you color them red. If their answer is 9, you color them purple. And 10, you color pink. They have a hot problem here for you. When you're all finished, you can look up here and then write a math sentence that adds how many flowers are yellow or purple. So you would write the number of yellow flowers plus the number of purple flowers equals how many flowers all together. So your sum would go in that last spot. Lastly, what is the sum, or what is the answer to 5 plus 4? Fill in your bubble. That's our math lesson for today.